Have you ever written down a goal and watched it magically come true? It's not magic, it's manifestation. When we write down our desires, something incredible happens. Our minds focus, our intentions solidify, and the universe starts listening. But sometimes, we need a little reminder of those big dreams. Life gets busy, doubts creep in, and we forget the amazing future we're creating. That's where affirmation cards come in, like little whispers of hope and possibility, always there to guide us back to our power. These aren't just ordinary cards. They're potent tools for transformation. Each card holds a positive affirmation, a powerful statement designed to shift our mindset and attract our desires. Think of affirmation cards as your personal cheerleading squad, always there to boost your spirits and remind you of your awesomeness. They help you stay focused on your goals, even when life throws curveballs. How do they work? Repetition is key. By repeating these positive statements daily, we begin to rewire our subconscious mind. We start to believe in our own potential and attract the abundance we deserve. Whether you're looking to manifest love, abundance, or simply more joy in your life, affirmation cards can help you get there. Let's face it, manifestation isn't always easy. We might struggle with self-doubt, negative thoughts, or simply forgetting to focus on our goals. Affirmation cards are here to help. These cards act as gentle reminders to shift our perspective. Feeling anxious? Pull out a card that says, "I am calm and at peace." Lacking confidence? Grab a card that reminds you, "I am capable and deserving of success." By consistently using these cards, we can reprogram our minds for positivity and create lasting change. Craft your own affirmation deck. Ready to create your own deck of positivity? It's easier than you think. Gather some index cards, colorful markers, and let your creativity flow. Think about the areas of your life where you'd like to see positive changes. Write down affirmations that resonate with you, using present tense language as if your desires are already happening. Here are a few examples to get you started. I am attracting abundance into my life. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. Personalize your cards with colors, drawings, or even glitter. The more you love your cards, the more likely you are to use them. Unleash the power of daily affirmations. Now that you have your very own deck of affirmation cards, it's time to put them to work. Choose a few cards each morning and repeat the affirmations out loud with conviction. Feel the energy of the words sinking into your soul. Carry your cards with you throughout the day and refer to them whenever you need a boost. Place them on your desk, in your car, or even on your bathroom mirror as visual reminders of your intentions. The more you use your affirmation cards, the more powerful they become. So go ahead, manifest your dreams, one card at a time. And don't forget to share your favorite affirmations and experiences with others.